Hey guys, I have another Mani Monday for you, and this one is, I've already had it on my nails a while ago. I also did it on my friend's niece's nails. I'm just kind of, my nails need to get back to where they're all the same length before I paint on my nails. As you can see, some of them are longer and some of them are shorter, and I don't want to file or cut off my nails to make them shorter. So I'm just going to keep polish on them, normal polish, and then once they all get the same length again, I'll probably do more nail designs on my natural nails, but for right now I'm just gonna do, past nail designs. So what I have here is just this nail painted 2 coats of this Wet n Wild Mega Last, and this is in I Need a Refreshment, and this one is just plain, but you're also going to need some kind of glitters, and I've got the turquoise and a purplish pink glitter. I got also this little orange stick. I use it a lot. It works well. You're going to need some black paint, acrylic paint, also a hot pink nail polish, and I just got this one by LA Colors, and this is called Bubblegum Pink, or Pink Bubbles, sorry, and it is just that bubblegum pink color. And then you're going to need a top coat, and as always, on my practice nails I use this Sally Hansen Diamond Flash top coat because I didn't like this for my nails. So, yeah, that's all you're going to need, and let's go ahead and get started.
Okay guys, so we're going to start with the turquoise nail here, and you're going to take your bubblegum pink color, or any color that you want. You can choose any colors, and we're going to go ahead and make little spots all over the nail randomly. These are for the cheetah print, and it doesn't have to be perfect. The more crazy it is and non-perfect, the better it's going to turn out. So just randomly put little pink dots all over. Okay, so after that has dried a little bit, we're going to go ahead and put top coat on it. So that way, if you mess up at all when you're doing your acrylic paint, you just take it off with water, and it doesn't mess up your design. So go ahead and top coat it.
Whenever I'm lonely with all of my time, taken for granted these words I can rhyme. I'm not being insincere.
Okay, now we're going to take the black acrylic paint, and we're going to basically outline the circles here, and that'll make the cheetah print, or leopard print, whatever you want to call it. So what you do is just go around the pink dot and like kind of do little C's, and just randomly do them different ways on each dot.
If ever I'm walking with no place to go, living my dream world with people I know, I'm not being insincere. No, I forgot who I am. No, I think I've been dead. So I'll open up my eyes to this instead.
Okay, and then once that dries, just go ahead and put a top coat on it.
If ever I wanted to sit in the rain, face only a mirror reflecting my pain, I'm not being insincere. I know it's not often I'm wrong all the time, fixing my problems with falling in line. I'm not being insincere.
Okay, now we're going to be working on the glitter nail, and this one's going to be so simple. Like, all you do is put top coat down and then dip it into the glitter. So here I'm going to start with the turquoise first, which is in the middle, and you can choose whatever way to start with, whatever way is easier for you, but I just chose to do the middle first. And then I'll go ahead and do the sides after I dip it into the glitter. So yeah, pretty simple. And then after you dip it into the glitter, you're going to want to press on it to make sure that it's stuck real good, and then go ahead and top coat it.
And I'm not being insincere. So open up my eyes to this instead. So open up my eyes to this instead. So open up my eyes to this instead. Don't you think you want to be a little less me, a little more you? And don't you think you want to be a little less me, a little more you? Something that you wanted when this always fits. Strive for perfection seems to give you fits. Where you gonna go when this always fits? Take a little bow, cause you never quit. And you're gone, yeah, you're gone, but you're halfway home, halfway under, you're gone.
Okay guys, that's it for Mani Monday. I hope you enjoyed this design. If you have any questions, please ask them, and we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
Yeah, you're gone, but you're halfway home, halfway under this. Still your mind says you're wrong. Gonna need a challenge or to make you sick. Saying you're perfect is for lunatics. Where you gonna go when this always fits? How about asking for help?